Hey guys, it's Chris here. Apologize for the face cut off, but I have a lot of hair. Let's get to this video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the EVGA RTX 3080, and this is the FTW3 edition, so it has all the LEDs on here, RGB. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe for future content. I know this graphics card is hard to get right now. I just wanted to do an unboxing to show what comes in the box, so for those of you guys who haven't got it yet and want to know what's inside. Okay, so this is the 3080, and before this, I had the Zotac 2060. This is the FTW3 Ultra Edition. Oh no! I cut the box. Oh, this knife is too sharp. Crap. One thing I do know is that this is a huge upgrade to the Zotac 2060, because when I open YouTube videos and make them like big screen, they take a little bit lagging to open up to full screen. This will actually make it a lot quicker. And you can also do 4K gaming with this. So in the box, you get some installation guide, don't know what that is. You have a mount so that it will hold the GPU higher or not let it sag. Let's actually open this. And some screws. And here's the card. It's a pretty big card compared to the 2060. The 2060 is a lot shorter and a lot thinner. But this thing retails for $809. And let's take this off. I will be building a new computer, so check out the next video or in this annotation of the computer build I'm building. It has the AMD 5900X. So YouTube videos, any content streaming will be crispy clean on this graphics card. There it is. One more to take off. Now, because this is the FTW3 edition, this whole bar, even though it looks like it's not going to light up, it will light up in LED color. That's what's really cool about it. So when you're looking at it from the side, this whole thing will be RGB. And this one has two more expensive caps, and the rest are the a little less expensive, the more inexpensive caps. Which is not too bad. Having two good ones is good, I think. I don't know if I'm going to be overclocking this. And check out the computer case I got. Hopefully it will fit in there. And if it doesn't fit in there, we'll get a new computer case, because we definitely want to use this card. So three display ports and one HDMI 2.1 port. It's a pretty big card, and I think it will fit in my case. Yeah, it's not too big. Actually, it's not too big. It'll fit in most cases. If it doesn't, get another case. It has 3, 2, 4, 6, 8 pin connectors here. So it has that extra, it needs extra power. I am going to be using a 750 watt case. So my old computer was a Ryzen 7 1700X, I think. And it wasn't as strong as this one, but looking around here, I've been also told that there is something here. There's some switches. Here you go. So there's an auxiliary fan, 5 volt, D and G, and this is the pins for that. It's marked there. you can see. And from what I know, there's also a switch somewhere. Just need to find it. Here's the switch, overclock and normal. So I guess overclocking this card won't be that hard. Maybe I will overclock. I just gotta flip this switch right here. You can see there's a switch right there. And it reads overclock or normal. Alright, so check out the next video. I have some computer parts over here that we will be building soon. Right over here. I hope to build a small compact build that is not too loud, maybe under 50 decibels. These fans should do a pretty good job of them. And yep. Stay tuned for future content, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, one thing to mention, it is 3 fans. It's gonna have a lot of cooling. There's a lot of heat sinks here, like fins. And you can see there's a huge copper plate right there. So we'll see if this card is loud. Oh, one last thing, I also have to remove this. Sorry, video's not ended yet. But let's continue. That's what it looks like, all naked. One more. Let me know what you guys want to know about the computer build or anything. I think these unboxings are cool just because you can see what comes in the box and you won't be surprised. Unless you guys like being surprised, but yeah, before I get something I usually watch a video. There you go. All shiny. Now, I personally would have went with the Gigabyte card, but I could only get my hands on this one. Yeah, I just could only get my hands on the EVGA. But the Gigabyte one has a LED screen on the side, which looks really cool. And I think it also has this type of setup. But the Asus one has all the expensive caps. But the Gigabyte looks cool too. This one, I did not know this card was out there, and this whole bar lights up. It's so detective and under the radar, like you don't know that this lights up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future content. Like the video if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.